Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up an integration to transfer new leads from TikTok to Airtable. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from TikTok to other systems. For example, in Airtable you can add new rows and work with them comfortably in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Next you need to select the data source system, TikTok. Now we select the system where you want to transfer new leads from TikTok. In this case, choose Airtable. At this stage you need to connect your TikTok account to the Save My Leads service. In this window you must specify the login and password of your TikTok personal account. At this stage you need to give Save My Leads access to work with your TikTok account. All access checkboxes must be enabled. When the connected account appears in the list, select it. Next, you need to select an advertising page and form. After that, click Continue. At this stage you need to connect your Airtable account to the Save My Leads service. In this window you must specify the login and password of your Airtable personal account. At this stage you need to provide Save My Leads access to work with your Airtable databases. To do this, click Add a Base. I recommend providing access to all databases at once in order to be able to work with them in the future. When the connected login appears in the list, select it. Next, select the base in which new rows will be created. Also select the table. Now you can see Airtable fields to add new rows. In these fields you can assign variables from TikTok. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can use not only variables from the drop-down list, but also enter data manually. To go to the next line, press Enter. When all required fields are filled in, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Airtable as new rows for each new lead from TikTok. If you are not satisfied with something, click back and you will go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Airtable. After successful sending, go to Airtable and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the Save My Leads system and continue setting up. In order for new leads from TikTok to be instantly transferred to Airtable in the form of new rows, you need to enable Auto Update. To do this, click Finish Setup. If you want to change the connection name, you can do this in its settings. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.